What's up, guys? Legomaniac 45 here, and I just wanted to show you guys my football outfit. See my number? 45. There in the back, name, stuff. So I just want to show you guys that, and they're all on. So I need to get a smaller helmet. This one's too big. So got a game tomorrow, and so well, I better go.